Let me just share with you an exciting experience of one of our students from the first batch. Ito lang katatapos ng February. And she just actually passed the NCLEX. She just learned it today. And I'm so honored the first person she visited was me. Ladies and gentlemen, halika na dito, madam. Yes. Saan number ka nag-shutdown?
75.
Take note. Okay? At take note, binasa mo ba ang NCLEX 311? Binasa. At alam mo, yung isang kasabay mo who took and passed the test before her, 3 question, sobra yun. Sabi niya, sir, alam mo word for word yung ano mo doon, yung question number 84, and then the pointers. Ito nakakatawa sa kanya, nasa drill namin, na nasa drill din natin mamaya, yung risk factors ng diabetes type 2, paano yun? Yung select all that apply, go.
Yung risk factors niya, yung age, yung...
Lumabas yun as is. Sabi ka, I was telling her, you know, I made that question. Yung mga questions na nandun sa questionnaire ko because, you know, honestly, kaya namin nilalagay sa tuition fee yung libro na NCLEX 311. Binili po ng US sa akin.
Wow.
So, I only own the copyright up to June 2008. Kasi after that, sila na. Okay? So, so that's the first Filipino author reviewer that's gonna be published worldwide. And it's for them. Hapusin mo nga. Ayan. Kaya ngayon, teka muna, kasi nung klase nila, yung mga pumapasa, bumabalik din to give them moral support. Buksan mo pa, ano, tingnan natin kung may laman. Ayan, sige, buksan mo po. Tayo, napakita mo. Ano yung laman? Diba? Congratulations, you wear that. Kasi NCLEX passer ka na. Ano ka na isuot na natin sa'yo? I always have ready something ready for my students who come here. Okay, let me wear this to you. This is lucky charm. Dahil hindi ako marunong bukas ng bracelet. Paano ba, Ere? Ito, mali ka na. Dapat pumasa ka para makakuha ka ng ganito gaga. Congratulations, Helen, and welcome to the NCLEX RH. Thank you, okay? Palakpakan naman natin.